It's time for another amazing Spider-Man adventure. But first, young Spidey fans, make sure to show your support if you haven't already, and stick around until the end, because we have a super exciting sneak peek at next time's episode. Our story starts high above New York City. Spider-Man is swinging through the skyscrapers when he notices something very strange. A huge, glowing golden skyscraper that just rose out of the ground. It shouldn't be there. It's pulsing with an otherworldly energy, and it seems to be made of pure chrononium, the same stuff the chrono core is made of. He dodges a robot that shoots a huge laser at him, narrowly missing Spidey's face. As Spider-Man climbs higher, he soon realizes something incredible. Every floor is a different time zone. On one floor, there are dinosaurs, and on another, knights in shining armor. He's using the chrono core to rewrite history, and he's doing it his own way. Timejack explains that he's going to rule every age by bending time to his will. With the chrono core fully charged, he plans to rewrite history so he was always in charge, even when time feels out of control. Being smart, kind, and calm can save the day. Now it's time for bed, but don't go anywhere. If you're still with us, we have a special message, but Spider-Man isn't having it. He reminds Timejack that being smart doesn't mean using your powers to control everyone. Sometimes it means helping others, even if they're from another time and place. Timejack doesn't listen and activates the chrono cord, creating a huge time-bending vortex. Above them, futuristic robots are fighting spaceships from another galaxy. All around him, people from different times are running around in confusion. It's absolute bedlam. Before disappearing into the swirling vortex, Timejack is left alone, doomed to repeat his mistake for eternity. Then he has to swing around a T-Rex as it takes its first steps in New York. Spider-Man's about to meet someone, but from where? Will they be a friend or a foe? Find out next time. See you soon. The massive dinosaur is clearly confused and a little scared. It lets out a mighty roar as it accidentally knocks down a few cars and stomps on a taxi. Don't worry, he's way too smart for that. Using his knowledge of science, he reverses the chrono cord, stabilizing the time stream and saving the world. But that leaves Timejack trapped in an endless time loop, forced to relive his mistake over and over again. Spider-Man makes a mental note to remind Tony about getting a bigger tower next time. What is happening? There's a mysterious glitch in the sky above the Empire State Building. It looks like time itself is bending and rippling like water. Suddenly, a distress call rings in his earpiece. It's Friday. They're followed by pirates with swords and laser-shooting robots from the future. They all came from different times, ripped out of their own eras, and dumped into the middle of New York City. This is all so crazy that even a hot dog vendor from the future appears. He's never seen anything like this before. She's Iron Man's AI, and she sounds very worried. She says a long-forgotten Stark invention has activated itself. It's called the chrono core, and it's in a hidden tower somewhere below the city. No one should know about this tower or it could be a disaster. So Spider-Man makes a promise to help before swinging away. But where is this secret tower? Well, here it is. In seconds, the answers. As Spider-Man watches, dinosaurs suddenly appear around the tower, stomping through the streets and roaring with surprise. Then Spider-Man swings into action. Now it's time to go inside and figure out what's really happening. But be warned, this is no ordinary building. So, what's going on, and how can Spider-Man stop it? Just keep watching to find out. On the highest floor, Spider-Man finally finds the answer. A brilliant but unhinged tech genius named T. Will Spider-Man get caught in the vortex? As for Spider-Man, he fixes the damage to the time stream and sends the dinosaurs, robots, and spaceships back to where they belong. And that's the end of our story. Do you remember our moral? And now it's time for our next sneak peek. A strange black ripple appears in the sky.